in this lecture we will discuss about one of the recent schemes being released, the Vishwakarma scheme. Now here, the artisans, the rural artisans would be given support. Now this would be in the form of 5% interest on up to rupees 1 lakh in the first round, and 5% interest on to rupees 2 lakh in the second round. There would be skill development training that would be provided. 500 stipend would be given per day during the period where the training would be provided, and nearly 15,000 rupees of subsidy or amount would be given when the artisans are trying to purchase equipments. So that way it would actually help and benefit the artisans in a great deal. So this would benefit the support system for the craftsmen to actually start up their own establishments and even startups if they want. Also, skill building is one of the important aspect that would be taken into account. Besides this, there would be a ID card that would be provided, a registration, a mandatory registration which would be done, and they would also become part of the global value chain. That means the products would have market access. The products that they are creating would be eligible for market access. So this is one of the very important schemes, and nearly 13,000 to 15,000 crores have been allotted for this scheme. So this is one of the schemes that we have discussed today, the Vishwakarma scheme, extremely important for your upcoming examination.